Good morning, or in whatever time zone you are. I'm Max, and today I want to introduce Sensaia. Sensaia is our cloud-based performance monitoring tool for asset management in renewable energies. And you can see behind me, we address two different personas, both technical and financial asset management, because we think they're interlinked. So today I just want to give you a brief demo of a few use cases, 2-3 minutes, and leave you with that. If you have more questions, please talk to us. So I'm logging into the tool here, and you can see putting in my email address, pressing continue, and here you already see Sensaia. As you can see, we kept it fairly simple. All these widgets that you see here are customizable. Everybody perceives information differently, works differently. That's why everything is fully customizable to your needs. But what you can see is this big red button here. And this is already the first information we are generating with our artificial intelligence. This is the result of digital twins, because here we're comparing predicted output of a renewable energy asset and compared to the measured state. So what is our AI predicting this asset should produce in this time, and what is it actually measuring? And you can see in this demo portfolio there are 4 critical assets. And that's where you should focus your attention. If you have a lot of assets in your portfolio, it might become overwhelming of seeing all these alarms and not knowing how to start your day with a cup of coffee. But the AI is helping you to prioritize. You can see there are 4 critical assets on the right-hand side. Below the map, you see what these 4 critical assets are. These are the ones marked red. And I just want to show you one user story, one example, to bring home the value of Sensaia and how it can ease your work in asset management. So I'm not clicking on one of these 4 critical ones. I want to show you one that's more interesting in my mind. Here, the yellow one with the solar icon is not a critical state, but a warning. So in this case, there's a creeping change happening in the solar asset. You can see here there's a warning at this asset. We detected an increase in module soiling. And here we're introducing a new innovation to renewable energy performance monitoring, root cause analysis. So by analyzing all the different anomalies that are taking place in the specific solar asset, we can deduce one specific underlying root cause that is responsible for the underperformance of this asset. And here it's soiling. It's not snow covering, it's not shading, it's not a grid outage, it's soiling. And we want to help you reduce all the time of doing analyses, looking through charts, downloading Excel sheets, going through that, talking to colleagues. All this is obviously very valuable engineering know-how, but we included this already in our algorithms and helping you with very simple information like these alarms. It's soiling to go through your day more efficient and in the end be able to, manage a larger portfolio at higher profit. So I'm clicking on this alarm here, and here we build some example charts. I mean, these bell curves. This is a typical production curve of a solar asset. Sun goes up, production high, sun goes down, production low. And then you can see here the dotted line that is small where my mouse is over is the predicted output from the artificial intelligence that I mentioned earlier. And then the blue line, and here the yellow line, that's a prediction into the future, is representing the actual output. And you can see there's a gap. And this gap is analyzed, classified by our root cause analysis as soiling. And so we can clearly say what the underperformance is per day, here about 550 kilowatt hours per day, if you don't clean. But now the question is, cleaning costs money. Does it make sense to clean? Is the underperformance large enough to take action? That's why we're also including financial information down here. You can see the predicted loss is around 550 euros for the next 7 days compared to your cleaning costs that are about 3,700 euros. So this loss amortizes only after 46 days, or the cleaning cost. So if you take these financial information, another layer of information into consideration, you can prioritize and think about, is there going to be heavy rain in the next couple of days? Does it even make sense to clean? Yes, no. And when you as the operator found it's valuable to clean, you take action. and you can, up here, create a ticket and get your colleagues to work to clean the asset and increase yield. And that's how simple Sensaia is. This is just one example of many, how we are easing asset management for renewable energies, both for solar and also for wind. So if you want to know more, talk to us. We're happy to geek out on AI with you together and help you to increase yield of your assets. Thanks.